Welcome back to another short tutorial with Flight Sim 205. Today I will be showing you how to go into desktop mode in your browser on your smartphone. So, go into your browser. After that, press on the three dots icon. Please note, this would be different according to what browser you are using. Now, you should be able to see this option called desktop mode. After you press this, it will automatically reload the page that you are on. See? I hope that this tutorial had helped you. Please leave a like and subscribe to me if you are new here.